Hey folks, here's a rather neat invention that has been sent to me by a Chinese manufacturing company based out in Bao'an district in Shenzhen, China. And this is a USB cable, but it's no ordinary USB cable. Here's one I twisted up into a smaller coil earlier. And ultimately, it's magnetic. There is basically some kind of magnetically attracting material that has sewn in or impregnated into the cable. So you can keep your cables nice and tidy on your desktop. And I actually think that's really quite cool. The good thing here is you get multiple different types of cables. You get USB ends, micro USB ends, USB-C. You can get the Apple interface. Yeah, I just absolutely adore this. This is now about the size of a 50p piece. It's one of the larger sort of coins that you can get in the UK. But it just handles it. And yeah, obviously, you can take this and you can straighten it all out like that. And then when you want to just sort of tidy it all up, boom, yeah, there we go. You just tidy it all up. And I do like this. This is quite cute. And it does sort of work quite nicely. And what have we got then? So we have a magnetic charging data cable, a mini size portable, a magnetic self-winding, a neat and tidy charging. I'd agree with all of that. So we've got USB-A type to Lightning, so that would be the Apple style. We've got USB-A to USB-C. We've got USB-C to Lightning, and then we have USB-C to USB-C, which is exactly what I've got here, and that's what we tend to use on most of our kit in the house. The other thing here, we've got multiple different colours, so black, silver and blue, and we've got different lengths. So the material is PE rubber, magnetic rubber, nylon and LCP. So the manufacturer is Shenzhen Felium Technology Company Limited, and they're located in Bao'an district in Shenzhen, in Guangdong, in China. It has a little support email there and stuff like that. And actually, it even has a US patent on it as well, which is really quite cool. We are using the most simple pack to save the planet. The box is just like a cardboard box. But yeah, 60 watts, full USB PD. So this contends with the USB-C power delivery type of a cable. So this will charge up your Nintendo Switch quite happily, super fast charge most of your Samsung phones and that kind of good stuff. So I thought to myself, it would probably be a good idea to test one of these and make sure that they are fully USB PD compliant. So we have one of my 3D printed devices here that fits a Milwaukee battery, or a fake Milwaukee battery. And here we have a little USB analyzer with a dummy load on the end of it, which ultimately is a light bulb. So if we take this cable and we plug it in here, and we plug it in here, let's see what happens. Oh, boom, off it goes, yeah. I've actually got this PCB here set to 12 volts. We can see 11.9 volts coming in through the cable at 0.6 of an amp. So yeah, this is fully PD compliant cable. This is working a treat. If I unplug that there and I plug it into my wife's phone, you can see, yeah, super fast charging at the bottom there. So yeah, that's a fully USB-C PD compliant cable. I just love the fact that if you want to store your cables nicely, you can. Anyway, yeah, thanks very much for sending these into review. And I've got to admit, this is, and you know what, they really are quite, they're sort of, it's not a gentle magnet either. It's reasonably powerful. These are quite good. Do you remember the magnetic bracelets people used to buy and put on their wrists? Because apparently there's something in your blood that, yeah, I don't know, it's some health thing, load of rubbish if you ask me. But yeah, this is a really good idea. Good use of magnets there. Well done, Shenzhen Felium Company in China. These were sent to me by Chinese post, so I don't know if they're available on Amazon, but it might be worth having a quick look. If I find a link, obviously I'll include that. But yeah, absolutely, absolutely adoring this piece of kit, and yeah, very happy to say I've got 2 of them, one for myself and one for the wife. Oh, I wonder, will they connect up on top of each other? How? Ooh, yeah. So that's the wrong way around. That's trying to push that one off. Look at that. We can even tower them up, one on top of the other. If you get them the right way around. That is really quite cool. I'm absolutely digging it. All right, there we go. You've seen it here first, ladies and gentlemen. Magnetic power and data cables. As always, thanks ever so much for watching Dubious Engineering. Do take care. Have a wonderful, wonderful week and weekend, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers for now. Bye-bye.